happy, happy kids.
A is for apple, juicy and red. A is for ant, marching ahead. A is for aunt, baking some pie. Say A, and reach for the sky. B is for ball, bouncing so high. B is for bat, that flies in the sky. B is for baby, giggling with cheer. B, we all can hear. C is for cat with a meow so sweet. C is for car zooming down the street. C is for cake with candles bright. What a delight. D is for dog with a wagging tail. D is for drum that we love to nail. D is for duck, quack quack sound. Is all around. E is for elephant, big and strong. E is for egg, round all along. E is for engine that goes choo choo. E, let's learn with you. F is for fish swimming in the sea. F is for frog, jumping with glee. F is for fan, spinning so fast. Fun that will last. G is for giraffe with the neck so tall. G is for goat, climbing the wall. G is for gift, tied with a bow. J. Now off we go.